Friends, a very warm welcome. I am Rajesh Bhatnagar. Today I am going to disclose a very interesting mystery in front of you. You will be stunned to see and hear that. I am going to solve the mystery of a great prophecy about which many foretellers from around the world have said and written in their prophecy. All famous foretellers around the world have predicted about a great man who will give an amazing spiritual knowledge to the world, with whose views and knowledge the Third World War will be averted. I know that every person has the same question in their mind. Who is that great man? Where is he? How does he look like? Is it true that the great man has taken birth on this earth or not? Friends, our research team has decided to unveil this secret. If these prophecies are true, then the great man will also be present here. To know the depth of this mystery, our research team has decoded the secret code of many foretellers, and then what came as a result has left all of us astonished. Yes, that great man about whom people are talking since centuries, he has finally come on this earth. He is that great person with whose energy the rise of humanity will take place on this earth. The whole world will be governed by India. World War will be averted. Golden Age will begin and Ram Raj will come again. India will be known as the world leader again. Friends, I Rajesh Bhatnagar will take you all on an amazing journey. This journey is of prophecies of great foretellers. So let's solve the mystery of this great man. The great and famous foreteller of the 15th century, Michel de Nostradamus, have made various prophecies, and several times people have made fun of him. But all of his prophecies have proved to be true. So let's see, what does the great prophecy of Nostradamus has to say?
The world-famous foreteller Michel de Nostradamus, who is known for his exact predictions. In the year 1555, in the verse 96 of his book, he stated that the great man will take birth in that country which will be surrounded by water from three sides, and that country's name will be on the name of an ocean, that is India. Friends, in this whole world, only India is the country which is surrounded by sea from three sides. Also, India is that country whose name is on the name of an ocean, that is Indian Ocean. In chapter 20, verse 25, it is said that the great man will be born in India. He will take birth in that part of a country where 5 rivers would be flowing. He said all this in chapter 1, verse number 50. In India, only Punjab is the state where 5 rivers flow. That is why it is named as Panj and Aab, Punjab. Name of the rivers are Satluj, Beas, Ravi, Jhelum and Chenab. Nostradamus has told in chapter 5 verse 41 that great man, that great Chiron, will have 4 children, in which 2 sons and 2 daughters. Unfolding another mystery about that great man, Nostradamus has told in chapter 5 verse 41 that his mother will be 3 sisters. In chapter 6 verse 70, Nostradamus has written that I am fully confident that great man will tell an extraordinary spiritual knowledge that no one would have heard about. After listening to his preaching, all other spiritual leaders will bow down to him. One more amazing prediction has been done by Nostradamus in chapter 1 verse number 50 that people will hate that great man by thinking of him as a treasoner. But later on, after knowing the truth, everyone will love him. The ideals and values established by him will be swayed everywhere. In chapter 20 verse number 25, Nostradamus has told he will neither be a Christian nor a Muslim, but he will be a Hindu. In chapter 60 verse number 70, Nostradamus has told that great man will govern the whole world. That great man will be champion of the world. In chapter 2 verse number 79, it is stated That great man will make the entire society do true worship. That great man will tell true way of worship, and also he will free the world from this Kal Log. In chapter 1, verse number 50, that great person will make all the nations bow down with his spiritual knowledge. It would be impossible to stop his publicity. I, Nostradamus, clearly state that do not ignore that great saint. It would be very beneficial for you to worship him as a favored God, because he will be the savior of this world.
So you have heard that the world's great foreteller, Nostradamus, has stated that great man will definitely not be a Christian or a Muslim, but undoubtedly he will be a Hindu, and he will take birth in that state of India where 5 rivers would be flowing. That great man will govern the whole world with his spiritual knowledge, whose mothers will be 3 sisters and who will have 2 sons and 2 daughters. Negative powers will try to stop the teachings of that great saint. He will be accused with false cases of treason. With so many indicative predictions, a picture clearly appeared in front of us. But to further strengthen our study and research, our team also deeply studied the predictions of famous foreteller named Florence. So let's see what famous foreteller Florence's predictions have to say.
New Jersey, America, famous for Hitler. Florence, by making very interesting exact predictions, this world-bearer great female foreteller has brought that great saint in her written in such a way that you will be startled to see that. In her golden light on New Era, Florence had written that when I meditate, I frequently see a divine saint. He had white hair. He doesn't have beard and mustache on his face. He is fair-skinned. That something has a splendid radiance on his forehead. I see that saint with the power of his auspicious viewpoint, and his followers endowed with good character, and is spreading the light of new knowledge in the whole world. He has so much power that he can also cause change in the nature. At the holy place, I am watching a great ascetic saint whose brilliance is spreading very fast. To awaken the dormant divinity in humans, that saint is trying day and night. I am telling a very important thing about future. Why the end of 20th century, a new ideology will emerge from India which will give information to the world about those divine powers that have remained mystery for all of unity till now. Why our dive in great man, that light of new ideology will spread in the whole world, who will inspire everyone to tread on the true path. Elite of new thought will spread in the whole world. When I am in meditation, I often see this divine great man. Florence has repeatedly maintained about this great man. Besides, she has also told that he is present in a holy place in northern India.
Like Nostradamus, the prediction of Florence have also suggested about that great man. Side by side, our research team have also studied the prediction of the foreteller, who is famous for his accurate predictions. So let's find out what does England's famous foreteller Kiro has to say.
Kiro has done a prediction in his book written in 1925, in 20th century, that is, in the latter half of the year 2001. After 1950, that is, in 1951, he would bring a new civilization in the world, which would spread in the entire world. That one person in India would bring a revolution of knowledge in the whole world.
So friends, let's find out what famous great foreteller and astrologer Vigilatin has to say.
According to foreteller Mr. Vigilatin, in the latter half of the 20th century, that is 1951, the absence of much love and degradation of humanity and the collection of wealth and loot and the unjust politicians etc. and various disasters would be seen. But a new civilization based on peace and brotherhood originating from India, breaking boundaries of state and race, would give rise to peace and contentment in the entire world.
Prediction is not just a piece of fiction. It is a blessing. There are only handful of people in the world who are blessed with it. Come, let's see what the famous woman astrologer Jean Dixon's predictions have to say about it.
According to the woman astrologer from America, Jean Dixon, before the close of 20th century, there would be a great massacre and destruction of mankind in the world. After the ideological war, a new civilization based on spiritualism would probably originate under the leadership of an Indian man from a rural family and would send off the war from the world forever.
America is considered to be the most powerful and strong country in this era. America's school and education system are famous worldwide. America is the center of research. Come, let's see what famous American foreteller Anderson's predictions have to say.
In 21st century, a religious person in rural India preparing a constitution of the principle of one human race, one language and one flag would give the lesson of morals, generosity and service and love to mankind.
We have done research on prediction of foretellers from all corners of the world. We have uncovered the foretellers of every country of this world. Our research team has decoded the prediction of great astrologer named Borsika, which is from Hungary. Do you want to know how? Let's find out.
According to a woman astrologer from Hungary, Boriska, this spiritual person would have a very large following of the common people in converting materialism into spiritualism.
France is that one nation which has brought a new revolution in the entire world. Predictions made by foretellers of France are absolutely accurate. Our research team has tried to study the predictions of France astrologer Dr. Zuluvron. Let's see what exactly we found.
According to Dr. Zuluvron of France, the religious revolution of knowledge emanating from India would cover the entire world like a tempestuous storm. The followers of that great spiritual man will soon, in the form of an organization, will self-empower the world and influence upon the entire world.
Israel is an open-minded country. The culture of this country reflects every decade. Israeli Dr. Harari has also made prediction about the great man. Let's find out what the foretellers of such a powerful country have to say.
According to Professor Harari of Israel, a divine great man of India with humanitarian thoughts would make the roots of spiritual revolution stronger, and the entire world would be bound to listen to his thoughts. There would be president rule in most states of India, and later the leadership would be on brave, devout people who would be dependent on a religious organization.
We have not left any prediction of any foreteller from all corners of the world. Now let's see how foreteller of Norway have straightforwardly and clearly written in detail about India.
According to Professor Sri Anandacharya of Norway, after 1998, a powerful religious organization would come to light in India whose master's household's code of conduct would be followed by the entire world. Gradually, India would lead the world industrially, religiously, and economically. And only its science, the true spiritual knowledge, would be acceptable to the whole world.
The great Sikh Guru, Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji, needs no introduction. We have also studied his predictions, and after knowing it all, we were left shocked.
Janm Sakhi Baliwale, whose publisher is Bhai Chhatar Singh Jeevan Singh, Amritsar. On page number 307, prediction of Prahlad is written that after Nanak Ji's departure to Satluj, a Jat saint will take birth in Punjab. He would be great like Nanak Ji and Kabir Ji. His promotional city would be Barwala. Who doesn't know in India about Tulsidas from Mathura, also known as Jai Gurudev Ji?
On 7 September 1971, he had made a prediction which left everyone astonished. So let's see, what was that prediction?
The great Indian saint of India, Sri Tulsidas Ji, also known as Jai Gurudev, is very popular, who has a very big hermitage built in Mathura. On 7 September 1971, in his Shakahari Patrika of page number 50, predicted the incarnation of whom people are waiting today has completed 20 years of his life. If I tell his address, then people will start following him. There is no order from above to tell about him. I am waiting for the right time. The great man have waited for the right time. When the right time will come, everyone will get to know everything. One more prediction has been made by Jai Gurudev's propagator Sri Tulsidas Ji on 28 August 1971, which is written in Shakahari Patrika's page number 59, that the great man has taken birth in a small rural village of India, and that person will be the most important person of entire history. He will get such a big support of public like no one else has ever got. The great man will make new constitution which will be applicable on the entire world. He will have one flag, one language. The full explanation on Shakahari Patrika in the book Jai Gurudev Ji Amarvani, whose writer Divya Sharma, printer Arjun Printer, Old Bus Stand, Mathura.
We have simplified the predictions of some great foretellers of the world for you. Friends, our research team has done research on various foretellers, and after hard work of several months, when we reached the conclusion, we were left speechless. When the mystery of prediction made from thousands of years ago unfolded, then the divine great man finally appeared. We molded many great people in our research, but either the geography was missed out or the family life. Then we did some more deep research, and then only one great man stood true on our test. And after knowing his name, you will be happy with devotion.
Jagadguru Tattvadarshi Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj is the one and only man who is born in India to save this earth and humanity. Jagadguru Tattvadarshi Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj is the great man whom all the foretellers from around the world have predicted. Yes, Sant Rampal Ji is the man who has 2 sons and 2 daughters, and his mothers are 3 sisters. Sant Rampal Ji is the great man who was born on 8 September 1951 in the state of Punjab. In 1966, Haryana was separated from Punjab. Yes, Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj is the great saint who has defeated all saints in the world in spiritual debate. The whole world accepts his excellence of his spiritual knowledge. Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj was born on 8 September 1951 in a small village Dhanana in Sonipat, Haryana, which was earlier in Punjab. He is the great man who has completed 20 years on 7 September 1971, is none other than great Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. The great man who has amazed everyone with his spiritual knowledge is none other than Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. The one who is accused in the false case of treason is only Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. The one who has white hairs and doesn't have any beard or moustache is Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. The one who has eradicated all the evils from the society is only Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. Sant Rampal Ji has given knowledge about divine powers who had remained a mystery of the world. In Gita chapter 18 Shlok 62, to whom the speaker is suggesting to be the word down other than himself. Arjuna asked in chapter 18 Shlok 1 that who is the person in Gita chapter 7 Shlok 29, who exactly is the Param Akshar Brahm? Its answer is given in chapter 8 Shlok number 3. It is said that he is Param Akshar Brahm, about whom Saint Rampal Ji has given complete knowledge in his satsang. For more information, read book Gyan Ganga, Gita Tera Gyan Amrit, Jeene Ki Raah, Andhshraddha Bhakti Khatraye Jaan, www.jagatgururampalji.org. Download free and clear all your doubts and also bless your life. It is written in Janam Sakhi Balewali. It is written that a great man will take birth in the Jat community after hundreds of years of Nanak Ji. He would be knowledgeable and great like Kabir Ji and Nanak Ji. It is 100% true on Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj is the great man who has taken birth in small rural village of Haryana. If someone has the slightest doubt that prediction was made for any other 10 Sikh Gurus, so it is clear that no Sikh Guru among them was born in Jat community. So it also strengthens the favor of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. Also, he is the one who is born in the holy Hindu religion. He is the one who will revive the eternal religion as prophesied by Nostradamus. That is small town Dhanara in Sonipat in which he was born. That rural civilian will give lesson to the world of courtesy, morality and brotherhood and will reunite the scattered human race. He will lay foundation of new civilization. First of all, he will make his Hindu brothers understand about the spiritual knowledge. All will wake up just like someone wakes up from a deep sleep. The religious revolution of knowledge emanating from rural India after destroying atheism would cover the entire world like a tempestuous storm, and the supreme knowledge is given by his book.
All these signs have been told in the past by great astrologers, which undoubtedly signal towards Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. Yes, that great man is only Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, about whom all the predictions have been made. Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj is the great saint with whose positive energy golden age will come again on this entire earth. World war will be averted, human race will be liberated, and Ram Rajya will be established. India will emerge and be famous as the new world leader. All these things have been predicted by great foretellers of the world in history that we have told to you. Say everyone, Jagat Guru, Tattvadarshi, Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj ki Jai.